So you guys will not believe what just happened to me. So I sat online trying to get a Nintendo Switch 2 order to go through, right? Walmart sat in a queue for an hour. GameStop wouldn't even load or restock or anything. I mean, they probably have now, but like for the first hour, there was literally nothing. I decided, well, I know like Best Buys are doing like the midnight event or whatever. It's 1 a.m. They're all probably gone, right? Like people probably waited in line for them or showed up right at 12. But I saw people still walking out. And they're like putting the signs away and everything. And the manager's standing outside. And so I'm like, I almost didn't even get out. I almost didn't get out and mess with it because I was like, I'm just gonna look stupid if I like get out of the car and like walk up to the door. And he's like, yeah, sorry, it's cute that you thought you could come at 1 a.m. but like they're also out. He waves me to come in. So I go in and I was like, hey, are they all like gone? And he goes, no. And he started to laugh and I was like, what? And he's like, we actually have like 80 something consoles left. He's like, we have the bundle with the Mario Kart and we have the regular console. We have all the games. We have everything. He's like, everything's in stock. So I quite literally just walked straight into Best Buy. No one was at the counter. She's like, what one do you want? I was like, the bundle, please. And she was like, okay, cool. Walked out. It was probably a 3-minute long, like, incident. Anyways, I'm almost home and I'll unbox it for you guys. Here it is. How freaking exciting. I'm so excited. This is just gonna be like a informal unboxing. I'm too excited to wait and like actually film this. So here's the Switch. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. This is amazing. For reference, like, this is my Switch right now. Old. New. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me pull out the Joy-Cons first. I'm loving the black. Holy shit, that's big. That's like real big. Like, that's real big. Oh my god, I had no idea. Okay. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh. Cannot lose that. Super excited to play. Oh, here's our little things for the Joy-Cons. Oh my god, okay. Charging brick. Cord. I'm literally holding my camera by hand. Ooh, it's like flat. I like that a lot. And the dock. Let's get that out. Oh. This is nice. It feels very premium. Like, a lot nicer than the other Switch. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I just walked into Best Buy and got this. Oh, wow. That is insane. How much bigger that is. Oh my god, okay. How do I turn it on? Is the button here? So I need to attach the Joy-Cons. This is the first time I've ever done this, you guys. That was amazing. Oh my god, it's amazing. it just like clips on. I like these buttons a lot better. I mean, this is huge. I was like getting so sad earlier because I thought I wasn't going to be able to get one. I also accidentally bought 2 of these. I ordered one at BJ's because that was before all of this and I didn't know if I was even going to be able to get one. So here I am. I'm going to have to cancel that order, but the thing is it's not showing up under my account anywhere. And yeah. So I got everything transferred over to the new Switch. I am actually going to let Mario Kart download overnight. I'm going to go to bed. I'm exhausted. But I will come back tomorrow as soon as I like have everything, you know, updated. Of course, everything's downloading, and then I'm going to have like the dock set up and everything. But for now, good night.